Hi there and welcome to this week's numeracy challenge. I'm just going to quickly share my screen with you. Okay, so your first questions are coming up now. Please pause it, and then when you're ready, we'll be moving on to question 2 now. Again, please pause it. When you're ready, we'll be moving on to question 3. Again, please pause it. You have a total of 3 questions today. So now we're going to move on to the answers. First answer coming up now. Okay, so if you have, you're catching a train from Chapel Street to Lansdowne, but you get there after 9 o'clock. So you can't get this first train. We're getting the 9:15 from Chapel Street. It's going to be arriving in Lansdowne at 10:05. Question 2. You've got a net here. I've actually mocked one up. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see it, but I've actually just sketched one out so that you can have a look as well. So hopefully what you can see is as you fold it, the X is next to the D, if you can see that, because I know it's only small in the corner. Okay, but try and visualize it. It's always a good idea to actually create one yourself, and then it helps you with visualizing how that net works. Okay, moving on to the answer for question 2. Okay, so we're looking at a sequence here and how the sequence changes. So for the first question, you will see that this rod here has rotated 90 degrees clockwise, and then 90 degrees again and again and again. So your answer to question 1 is E. Question 2, we've got a reflection. So if you imagine that this is your mirror line, then your shape is going to end up facing the other way over here. You now have another mirror line, and it ends up here, a mirror line which reflects this shape all the way over to here, and finally a mirror line here that reflects from here to here. So the answer to question 2 is C. You've got these 2 little images facing each other. And finally, question 3, which is a little bit more of a challenge. So there's 2 ways to look at this one. You can look at the white dot firstly. So you've got the white dot, and you can see it starts here on the right. It's always on the second row down, and it moves. If I can get my cursor, it moves from here. So then it'll be the second one along, then the third one along, and then the fourth one along. Okay, so that gives me a choice of, I've made a mistake here. Oh, that's really frustrating. Hold on, sorry, bear with me while I just move that so I don't have to re-record it. Apologies for that. Okay, so you can see the dot is on the right, first, second column, third column, fourth column. So it has to be the second column of the white dots here. So the answer, apologies, is A. And then also, hopefully you can see that the 3 columns move across as well. So you've got 3 columns here. It's moving once to the left, which means that you've now only got 2 columns here, and one's appeared on the right-hand side. Moving to the left again. So you're only going to have 1 column here with 2 on the right-hand side, and then moving to the left again. So the answer to question 3 is A. Finally, question 3. Okay, so we know that 3 circles equals 15, 2 triangles equals 6, probably a little bit easier than the question that we had last week. So we've got 3 multiplied by 5, giving us an answer of 15. That's all from me this week. Thank you very much.